Alright guys, restarting, attempt number 1. Nope. I'm still on the roof. Who's that? Alright, attempt number 2. Ready? Why? Alright, attempt number 3. Oh god. Oh. I hate myself. Dude, what are we doing? Is that popcorn?
No, man.
How long do you put popcorn in? Because we put it in for 2 minutes and it almost lit on fire. So, minute 40?
Yeah.
Look at it go. Blondie. Okay, let's just see how bad. There was a huge black chunk in this. And my dog ate it. Oh my god. And now we wait. Oh no, my hair. Oh, look at that. Alright, so we're down here at the skate park, even though it's raining and it's soaking wet. But I got my dirt scooter, and currently I'm riding Boo Boo's longboard. I know. And so, I think we might try and get some clips, but I don't know how well this is going to go. I'm not very good at the dirt scooter. I can do like tailwhips and stuff. That's it. So, let's see. Down here, I already told you. So, see if I can drop 9 foot on a dirt scooter. Alright, ready? And... oh my god. Ready? Alright guys, ready? This one's for you. I'm gonna do a tail whip. It's so hard. Alright, ready? Alright guys, we're in the woods and it's time to go. Ready? Yo. Let's go. Yo, well, yo. Boo Boo. Boo Boo. Hey, Boo Boo.
Fucking on my stuff. What the hell is this shit? Oh, fuck.
Your name is Hyman. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Ooh, thorn bushes for days.
Dude, we didn't fucking go this way. That's fucking why.
Hey, shut up.
Can you get out, Clayton? What a savage. Keep going, John. Fuck this bush! God, John, keep fucking! She was putting it in my face and it had spikes on it.
That's okay.
Yeah, is anyone else behind us or is this all of us? Adam's behind us,
No,
right?
we didn't. No.
Bye, Adam!
We don't have to go this far.
Yeah, we don't have to go this far, but you guys get across. We don't have to go this far, but you guys keep going this far.
No, we can't go this far.
No, we can't go this far.
Stop going this far. Alright. We're on our way back. Boo Boo, are we on our way back? Yeah. Ow! Thorn bush. Ow. 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 Oh. Where are you going? Okay. Ow. Heading back. Oh, a thorn in my neck. Look at this place. It's magical. We meet again. Alright, we're heading back. Yo, we're almost back. We're heading. Okay, so we're on our way back to my house. I hope you enjoyed that nice slap in the face. And let's just get there and I'll see you then. Jackson's gonna be there. So, see you there. Alright guys, so I'm back at my new apartment and it's kind of small, but it's okay, it works. And yeah, let me just give you a little tour. Alright, so here's a support tray. Another support tray. We got a light. We have absolutely no room. Look at my feet. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So then, of course, there's the outside. No one likes. But yeah, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this fort. It is like 1,000,000 degrees in here. It's my fault. It's my new apartment. I live here, and I barely fit in here. But it's okay because fly high, man. Fly high. Alright, guys. This is the end of my vlog. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you want. You don't have to. And I'll see you next time. Adios.